but there will be a few games, possibly on Wednesday I can show you. NJIT. Lehigh hosting NJT. MHU. Non-Division 1 opponent. Or unless it's Mercyhurst. Which it could be Mercyhurst. Which is Division 1 opponent. Against Northern Colorado. Or University of North Carolina, Asheville. Eastern. Indianapolis at Indiana State. Southeastern. A non-division opponent at Mount St. Mary's at Southeastern. And then the Rock athlete Z Monroe is not televised. And then Marshall at Wright State, which would not be televised. So yeah, it just depends on the WNBA. I do want to watch the WNBA because their season's getting near the end. But every chance I can, though, I'm going to be doing some games of whip around in between WNBA or these there's no WNBA, and then next week on the 28th I will be able to do some if I can, which there's a bunch of early games, so I'll be able to do some of the early games, and then the 29th in the morning I'll definitely be able to do some NCAA women's volleyball whip around early in the 28th in the morning on the 28th. Oops. Yeah. Yeah, definitely be able to do some of these like classics, invitations, games in the morning. All the games are on like TV. Let's see here. I can actually go to the games here. Yeah, but a lot of them are not on televised. Not on televised games. But at noon Eastern, I can do some. I can do some of them at noon Eastern. Some of the noon Eastern games. I can though. Because there are a lot of like tournaments, like invitations. And so that like they only show like a lot of the games in the tournaments. Only the home game is getting televised. Some of them are on Flow Volleyball, like a few tournaments. Flow Volleyball picked up rights too. Some games or all the games of the tournament or certain games of the tournament. They're like neutral site games. But I might be able to do a little bit of them. And some of the tournaments, like the schools will showcase every game from that tournament. Every game from that tournament. But sometimes they will not. Schools will just show the game featuring like the host team.